Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to solve some of the simultaneous questions taken from the recent past papers. The first question is, solve the simultaneous equations. You must show all your working. 3x minus 2y equal to 19, x plus y is equal to 3. So two equations are given. Let's solve this by substitution method. I'll mark this as 1 and this is 2. Okay. From 2, we can write x as 3 minus y. When y goes to other side, it will change its sign. So 3 minus y. Now substitute this in equation 1. 3, x is 3 minus y. Minus 2y equal to 19. Now expand the bracket. 3 times 3 is 9. Minus 3 times y, 3y. Minus 2y equal to 19. Now combine the y terms. 9 minus 3y minus 2y is minus 5y equal to 19. Now bring this 9 to the right hand side. So you get minus 5y equal to 19 minus 9. 19 minus 9 is 10. So minus 5y is 10. So what is y? 10 divided by minus 5, which is 2, and there is a negative sign, so negative 2. Okay. So when y is negative 2, let's find out the x value from this. X equal to 3 minus of minus 2. So x is 3 plus 2, which is 5. So x is 5, y is negative 2. The next question is, at a cinema, an adult ticket costs $A and a child ticket costs $C. Farah buys 3 adult tickets and 4 child tickets for $38.50. Complete the equation. So 3A for adult ticket, A. Okay, for child ticket it is C, and total it is 38.50. So write it as 38.50. 3A plus 4C equal to 38.50. Okay, what's the B part of the question? Hannah buys 6 adult tickets and 5 child tickets for $65. Write down another equation in terms of A and C. Hannah buys 6 adult tickets, which can be written as 6A, plus how many child tickets? 5. So 5C equal to 65. So 6A plus 5C equal to 65. The C part of the question is, solve the two simultaneous equations to find the value of A and the value of C. You must show all your working. So what's the first equation? 3A plus 4C equal to 38.50, and 6A plus 5C equal to 65. This is the second equation. Okay. Now how to eliminate any one term? Let's eliminate A. Let's mark this as 1 and this as 2. So in order to eliminate, we will multiply 1 by 2. Equation 1 by 2. So we get 6A plus 8C equal to 38 is 2 times 76, and here carryover is there. So 77. And 6A minus 5c equal to 65. Let's subtract the second equation from the first equation. So 6a minus 6a gets cancelled. 8c minus 5c is 3c, which is equal to 77 minus 65, which is 12. So what is c? C is 12 over 3, which is 4. Okay. Now c is 4. What is a? Let's find out the a value by substituting in equation 1. 3a plus 4 multiplied by 4 equal to 38.50. So 3a is equal to, what is 4 multiplied by 4? 16. When it goes to other side, it will change its sign. So 3a is equal to 38.50 minus 16. So 38.50 minus 16. Let's subtract. So what is a? 22.50 divided by 3, which is nothing but, in 22, 3 goes 7 times, remaining is 1. So in 15, it goes 5 times. So 50, 7.50 is the value of A. And what is C value? It is 4. The next question is, entry to a castle cost X dollar for an adult and Y dollar for a child. Entry for 2 adults and 3 children cost $15. Entry for 3 adults and 5 children cost $23.50. Write down a pair of simultaneous equations to show the information and solve them to find the value of x and the value of y. You must show all your working. Okay, let's first write the simultaneous equation. Okay, it's given entry for 2 adult and 3 children cost $15. Okay, adult is marked with the letter X. Okay, so let me write this as 2x, and for children we have to write y. So 3 children, it costs $15. Next, for 3 adults, 3x plus 5 children, 5y equal to 23.50. These are the two simultaneous equations. To solve these two simultaneous equation, let's eliminate x by elimination method. For that, first we need to multiply the equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2, so that we will get the same term for x. So in both the cases we will get 6x. So 6x plus 9y equal to 45. And multiplying the second equation by 2, 6x plus 10y equal to 47. Now subtract, we get minus y equal to 6x minus 6x gets cancelled. 9y minus 10y gives negative y. Here 45 minus 47 is negative 2. So what is y? Now cancel the negative side on both the sides. So we get y as 2.0. Now let's find out the x value by substituting in equation 1. So 2x plus 3 multiplied by 2 equal to 15. So 2x equal to 15 minus 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. When it goes to other side, it will change its sign and gives negative 6. So 15 minus 6 is 9. So 2x equal to 9. So what is x? X is 9 divided by 2, which is 4.5. Okay. So the x value is 4.5. Y value is 2. The next question is solve the simultaneous equations. You must show all your working and give your answers correct to two decimal places. So two equations are there. We need to solve it. And one of the equation is a linear equation. Another one is a quadratic equation. Let me mark this as 1 and 2. Equation 1 gives y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Okay. Equation 2 gives y is equal to 5x squared plus 2x minus 13. Let's equate both. So in equation 2, what is y? 7 minus 2x equal to 5x squared plus 2x minus 13. Now bring all the term into one side. So 5x squared plus 2x minus 13 minus 7 plus 2x. So 5x squared, 2x plus 2x is 4x. Minus 13 minus 7 is minus 20, and this is equal to 0. So now we need to solve this equation to find the solutions. And it's given, it is corrected to two decimal places. Okay. So let's use the quadratic formula. Whenever you see the answer required in two decimal places or three decimal places, you just use a quadratic formula. So x equal to minus b. What is b here? 4. Minus 4 plus or minus square root of b square, that is 4 square, minus 4 times a is 5 and c is negative 20. Divided by 2 times 5. So minus 4 plus or minus 16 minus multiplied by minus, this will be plus. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 multiplied by 20 is 400. Let's take the solution as x equal to minus 4 plus square root of 416 divided by 10. Another one is x equal to minus 4 minus square root of 416 divided by 10. Let's simplify this one. Use calculator to find the value. So this is equal to 1.6396 and this is equal to negative 2.44 when x is 1.6396, y is equal to 7 minus 2x. 7 minus 2 times 1.6396. So which is equal to 3.72. And when x is negative 2.44, y is 7 minus 2 times negative 2.44. So y is 7 minus 2 times negative 2.44, which is 11.88. So we need to correct the answer into two decimal places. So the x value 1.63 will become 1.64. Corresponding y value is 3.72. And negative 2.44, comma 11.88. Next, question number 5. A shop sells shirts for X dollar and jackets for X plus $27. The shop sells 4 shirts and 3 jackets for the total of $194.75. Write down and solve an equation to find the cost of one shirt. Okay, it's given the shop sells 4 shirts. The price of the shirt is X dollar. So 4 multiplied by X is 4X. And 3 jackets. What's the cost of the jacket? X plus 27. And the total cost is 194.75. Okay. Find the cost of one shirt. So let's expand this bracket and find the value of X. 3 times 27 is 81, which is equal to 194.75. So 4x plus 3x is 7x. Bring this 81 to the right hand side. 194.75 minus 81. This is equal to 113.75. What is x value? 113.75 divided by 7. So which is equal to 16.25. So x is 16.25. The cost of one shirt is 16.25. The next part of the question is solve the simultaneous equation. You must show all your working. So two equations are given. One is a quadratic equation, another is a linear equation. Okay. Let's mark this as 1 and 2. From 2, find out the y value. What is y? Minus 5x minus 8. Okay. Substitute this in equation 1. We get x square plus 4 times minus 5x equal to 37. X square, expand the bracket, 4 times minus 5 is minus 20x. 4 times minus 8 is minus 32. Minus 37 equal to 0. So x square minus 20x minus 69 equal to 0. Now we have to factorize this one. If you multiply the number, you need to get negative 69. And when you add the number you need to get minus 20. Okay. 23 times 3 is 69. So when we add, we get negative 20. Let's put a negative sign here. Okay. So x minus 23 multiplied by x plus 3 equal to 0. So x is 23 or negative 3. Okay. Because one equation is a quadratic equation, so we will get at least two solutions. So x is 23, then what is y value? Y is equal to minus 5 times 23 minus 8 equal to minus 115 minus 8, which is negative 123. When x is negative 3, y is negative 5 multiplied by negative 3 minus 8. Minus 5 multiplied by minus 3 gives plus 15. Minus 8 equal to 7. So when x is 23, y is negative 123. When x is negative 3, y is 7. The next question is solve the simultaneous equation. You must show all your working. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay. Let's simplify this by the elimination method. So to eliminate x, multiply the equation 1 by 2. So we get 6x plus 10y equal to 46. And second equation is 6x minus 4y equal to 11. Now subtract what we get 10y, 6x minus 6x gets cancelled. 10y minus of minus, it will become plus 4y, which is 14y. 46 minus 11 is 35. So what is y? 35 divided by 14. Okay. So we can divide the numerator and denominator by 7. So we get 5 divided by 2. Let's find the x value from equation 2. 6x equal to 11 plus 4y. Okay, what is y? Y is 5 divided by 2, which is 11 plus 10, which is 21. So what is x? X is 21 divided by 6, which is equal to, divide the numerator and denominator by 3. We get 7 divided by 2. The next question is, Victoria buys 5 cups of tea and 4 cakes for $15.69. Isabella buys 3 cups of tea and 7 cakes for $17.97. Write down a pair of simultaneous equations and solve them to find the cost of 1 cup of tea and the cost of 1 cake. You must show all your working. Okay, first Victoria buys 5 cup of tea. To represent tea, let's use T. And for cake, let's use C. So 5T plus 4C is equal to 15.69. 6, 9. Isabella buys 3 cups of tea. So 3T plus 7C equal to 17.97. So let's mark these two equations as 1 and 2. Now we need to solve these simultaneous equation. To solve this, let's multiply the first equation by 3. We will eliminate the term t. To eliminate t term, let's multiply the equation 1 by 3. So we get 15t plus 12c equal to 47.07, and equation 2 by 5. So 15t plus 35c equal to 9 sevens are 35. So 5. 45 plus 3, 48. 35 plus 4, 9. 39. Okay. 89.85. Now subtract. 15t minus 15t gets cancelled. Next 12c minus 35c is minus 23c equal to so what is C is negative 42.78 divided by 23, which is equal to 1.86. So let's find out t value from equation 2. 3t plus 7 times 1.86 equal to 17.97. So 3t is equal to 17.97 minus 7 times 1.86. And what is t? T is 17.97 minus 7 multiplied by 1.86 divided by 3, and which is equal to 4.95 divided by 3, which is 1.65. T is 1.65 and cupcake is 1.86. The next question is, in this question all measurements are in centimeters. The height of a triangle is h and the height of the rectangle is h plus 2. The length of the base of the triangle is x and the length of the rectangle is x plus 1. The area of the triangle is 11 centimeter square and the area of the rectangle is 39 centimeter square. Write down an expression in terms of x for the height of the rectangle. So the area of the rectangle is given as 39 centimeter, which is nothing but the height multiplied by length. Height of the rectangle is h plus 2, which is multiplied by length of the rectangle x plus 1, which gives the area of the rectangle 39. So now we need to write h in terms of x. So what is h plus 2? This is equal to 39 divided by x plus 1. And subtract 2 on both the sides, which gives h is equal to 39 divided by x plus 1 minus 2. So the height of the rectangle is h is equal to 39 divided by x plus 1 minus 2. The next part of the question is, show that 2x square minus 15x plus 22 equal to 0. The area of the triangle is of BH and the base is x and height is h. So of multiplied by x, h equal to 11. And let's substitute h value here, which is 39 divided by x plus 1 minus 2 equal to 11. Let's simplify this one. 39x divided by 2 times x plus 1 minus 2 times x divided by 2 minus 11 equal to 0. This 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. Now let's take the common denominator. 2x plus 1, 39x minus x multiplied by 2x plus 1 minus 11 multiplied by 2 times x plus 1, and this is equal to 0. So let's expand the bracket. 39x minus 2x square minus 2x minus 22x minus 11. The denominator when cross multiplied with 0 gives 0 minus 2x square negative 22. Now let's combine the x terms. 39x minus 2x minus 22x is plus 15x minus 22 equal to 0. Multiply the whole term on both the side by negative 1. So we get 2x square minus 15x plus 22 equal to 0. The next part of the question is, by factorizing and solving 2x square minus 15x plus 22 equal to 0, find the two possible heights of the triangle. So 2x square minus 15x plus 22 equal to 0. When you multiply, you need to get 2 times 24 is 44. And when you add, you have to get minus 15. Okay. So 4 multiplied by 11 gives 44. 4 times 11. And we need to get negative 15. So if both are negative, then when you add, you will get negative 15. Okay. So 2x square, now we have to rewrite this negative 15x as negative 11x negative 4x. So negative 15x is splitted as negative 11 minus 4x. So plus 22 equal to 0. Now combine the first two terms, take x commonly. So we get 2x minus 11. And here you take 2 commonly, negative 2. So we get 2x minus 11 equal to 0. Now take x minus 2 multiplied by 2x minus 11 equal to 0. So x minus 2 is 0 or 2x minus 11 is 0. So x is 2, 2x is 11 or x is 11 divided by 2. Okay, which is 5.5. So now we got the x value. We need to get the corresponding h value. Okay. For triangle, the area is of multiplied by x multiplied by h equal to 11. Okay. So when x is 2, of multiplied by 2 multiplied by h is 11. That is h is 11. When x is 11 divided by 2, so 1 over 2 multiplied by 11 over 2 multiplied by h equal to 11. Okay. So now make h as the subject. So h is equal to 11 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 divided by 11. So 11 and 11 gets cancelled. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So h values are 4 and 11. I hope you found this video useful. Check out the description box for the links to other IGCSE crash course and topical solution videos.